going to attempt to trade in my MacBook today. I'm gonna go to the Best Buy in Tinley Park because I feel like they have a better shot of, you know, trading in or having what I want to trade it in for. But we're trading in my MacBook for a newer version. So, yeah, we're gonna go pick up Morgan because Morgan's gonna join the adventure. Let me show you the fit. It's nothing crazy. It's very light. Flip. Boom. Let's go. All right, y'all. I'm heading to the car now, but I'm about to get back on the phone house in Chelsea. So let's see. Those are cute. Oh, my phone's glitching. Of course it is, because I'm still connected to Wi-Fi.
But they're so cute though. And they have like little drawstrings on them.
Yeah, those are cute.
Okay.
Smell like grass up in here.
The pink is very cool though. Yep. Before. And I got it that matches it. It's the done. But you know.
Okay. I'm trading it in while Morgan's dealing with whatever crises. Morgan got a crisis every time I'm with her. Like, maybe I'm the problem. Did he? No, he texted you before, or did he text me once you got in the car?
He texted me when I was at the conference.
Oh, okay, so it wasn't me. Okay. All right, y'all. So low key, that was a dupe. I went to Best Buy. Why did they say $50? $50 for a MacBook in good condition? Are you shitting me? So I'm trading it in. I'm going Apple because Apple's giving me $160. So we're gonna get the MacBook tomorrow. So that should be fun. We'll get it tomorrow and I'll do an unboxing and everything. So I get to chill. I voted for the first time today, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, I'm finna go downstairs, get ready. I'm also doing a photo shoot tomorrow, so I'm gonna go downstairs, get ready for the photo shoot. I'm gonna have another video ready to come out. I'm gonna have this video come out on Tuesday, and then I don't know. I gotta stack up more videos. I think I'm gonna play another game. But we'll see. Maybe I'll play Minecraft again. I don't know. No, I want to do more fun videos. I don't know. But okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, y'all, so the music in the background is very loud because I'm listening to Billie Eilish, but today we are taking my MacBook to Apple Store itself because we're gonna get the MacBook. Yesterday they was playing games. Today I'm locking the freaking and I'm getting it. So yeah, let's go. All right. Woo. Y'all, it is, oh my god, sorry, horrible angle. Wow, really bad angle. Oh my god. Woo. Okay, but okay. My duck! I was looking for this thing, bruh. I can't lose it. I got it at a Cape Town concert. Just know that cleaning my car is also something that I will be doing very soon. But it's time to run to the Apple Store. I swear if I don't walk out with this new MacBook, I mean, I should because we already paid for it. It's just more, can I get the trade-in value for it? Is what the goal is. Got my water, got my Olipop. Like I said, if you looked at my March favorites, you know that Olipop is the way to go. Okay, I do want to listen to music, so, and I'm not going to speed, but I'm going to get there in efficient time, because my appointment's at 11:15. So, I will see y'all whenever I get it, and if I do get it. You'll know based off the reaction if I get it or not, and after that, I have somewhere else to go, so I'm going to take you guys with me. We'll come back home, and I'll do an unboxing. I wish you the best for the rest of your life. But I had to run back at JCPenney's to pee. But now I'm heading to my great grandma's. So let's go. Y'all, these cats looking at me like we got a problem. Got that one right there. Got that one right there. She's looking at me like they trying to score up. There's like 2 other ones chilling up there. And then one in the window. Like, this girl is a crazy cat lady. Alright. Okay, finally got it. Let's unbox it.
Yeah, let's.
You can take the little thing off the screen.
Nyla's gonna unbox it while I sit here, even though they told me I can unbox it.
I don't remember saying that.
You just said
I
it!
don't remember saying that. 512 gigabytes of storage.
Is that a lot?
That is a lot. It's more than... Well, I have 2 terabytes on my phone, actually.
Me too. After
You
I
hear all that? Alright, ready?
Can I do it? Just this one. Never mind, I don't want to do this one. I want to do the screen. I didn't know you had to lift it.
Oh, it's a new type of charger cord. Oh.
Wait, what's that? Oh, that's the kind mine has.
Oh no, this goes into the block.
No.
Or
This
maybe
goes
so?
into the laptop. It's magnetic.
Oh!
Well, you can't do it now, but the block is still just this one.
I can charge 2 things. That's fancy. It's very fancy.
Okay.
You want to plug it in? I don't keep the boxes. I keep that.
Magnet.
Or should I wait?
No.
Here we go.
I'll get out of the way. I get to do the one on the screen though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's pretty.
It's very pretty.
Are you looking for scratches or anything?
No, I know there's not scratches. Okay. Now we'll open it.
Wait, how do I find a good edge?
Yeah, it's not as satisfying.
ASMR style though.
Woo! And I saved my Zoomy sticker, so I can put it back on this.
Oh, you did? I thought it was on your old one.
It was. I took it off.
And it's still sticky enough?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh. Oh, they write it in all the different languages. See, it's just a magnet.
Is that how yours is?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Hey, Vlog. I'm just snacking while I wait for Nyla to construct my salmon and rice.
Come on. I know you wet.
No, but she's not as wet as DOG was.
No, I know, but...
You guys want to see a picture of...
Come here, Winter. I gotta clean your paws. Stay right here. Ready?
Sorry. This picture of DOG when he had to go outside in the rain. He looked like someone put Mod Podge over him. He really had to go. So,
You can go that further away now. Oh.
I don't want to take off my lip gloss, so I have to put them very delicately in my mouth.
I'll make some once
Oh yeah, and Nyla, we decided to make cookies the other day, mainly because Nyla wanted them, but I wanted some too, but I got really full off of the dinner that we ate that day. So I asked them to save me some. It's been a day, and they're all gone. And there was like, how many left?
A lot. There wasn't a lot.
A lot left, so it's some bogus, so they're gonna make me some more. Excuse me. Why'd you take the camera off of me? This is my part of the vlog.
Oh, I'm trying to do this.
After I set it up for you. Don't be rude.
Anyway.
Someone's over here always being rude and sassy. What do you take from those allegations? Sassy man apocalypse.
CapCut downloader.
You use CapCut on your laptop?
Yes,
I thought you could only use it on your phone.
Nope. You can use it on your laptop as long as you download it. I also start making edits.
Can you make one of me?
No. I think it would break the computer.
Because I'm so sexy.
Oh, well, that's a stretch. It's a big stretch.
I wish I could do like the eyebrow raise, but I can't, so I just have to do this.
Alright, what's up, y'all? So, overall, this MacBook is 10 out of 10. The only thing is that they changed the quality of the photo booth. Like, I look so smooth and not as pixelated as I wanted it to be. But it's fine, I digress. Yeah, I know this video is slightly all over the place, but that's okay because I promise y'all, I got y'all next time. Okay, the next video is gonna be a lot of cleaning and all that stuff. I mean, I'm hoping you guys liked the favorites thing. I want to make that always thing, but yeah, this MacBook is definitely gonna make life a little easier. Yeah, I don't have much to say. I'm gonna finish recording the cleanup video. Everything is still cleaned up. We just gotta organize some things. We're detailing my car. I'm detailing my car tomorrow. It's like me saying this makes no sense because like no matter what, these videos do not come out in the way that I want them to. Like they do not come out in the schedule that I want them to, but they come out. It's hard to explain. Anyway, that's it. Just know MacBook 10 out of 10. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to keep this MacBook for another 10 to 15 years. Winter. Say goodnight. She's tired of me. Anyway, good night, y'all. Bye.